Come on, smell it. You know you want to. Come on and buy this perfume so you can smell like me. When you open a door, you can smell my essence of this scent. It will drive you wild. Yes, it will. Come on, let's do this. Sing it.
You need to buy this book.
Yes, buy it.
Perfume is only $200.
What? $200? Wait a minute.
It's not that expensive if you have money.
This wasn't part of the script.
Take out your wallet and give me the money.
What in the world? Wait a minute. This is not right. I didn't know it was $200. $200? I wouldn't even pay for that. That's too much money. That's way too much. You guys are killing me. This is terrible. Anyway, let me get this for free. I better get this for free. Why didn't you tell me this is $200? I like books and all, but this perfume isn't worth it. I can smell the mold from my own pages of books, not from a bottle. Stop singing. Stop singing. I'm not going to sell this on this commercial. I'm just not. I'm sorry.
You need to buy.
I'm not going to buy it. It's a scam.
It's only
$200 is highway robbery. It's killing me.
It's not expensive.
Expensive? It's very expensive.
Take out your wallet.
Is that a threat? Are you kidding me? I can't believe I signed up for this. It's too expensive. For some perfume. I can do that and just read a book. And smell the mold from the pages. You guys are killing me with this. I can't take it no more. Do what you want. I quit. It's not for me.